Welcome to the Market Minute. Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex in a minute. Let's go to the charts.
Okay, let's start with Nifty first. So we are on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, as we clearly see, there was a rejection from 24,000 level. Like from what we discussed previously, Nifty might move until 23,750, 800 range. Basically, it was a gap up and hence the range did not hold. But I am expecting Nifty to close within that range of 23,400 to 23,750 in this week. But let's see on the 4 hours chart. So on the 4 hours chart, we can clearly see like there are two continuous bearish candles. Now do not enter into a buying trade until any 4-hour candle is bullish. And I'm expecting Nifty to touch 23,640 levels. And then from there, we might see but let's compare this with the option chain. So in the option chain, if we can clearly see, like there is a huge number of call rating done at 24,000 levels and also at 23,900 levels and also at 23,950 levels. So basically market is not expected to go beyond 23,900 to 24,000 levels. And this is visible from the chart because there is no clear indication on the 4 hours candle that it is bullish. But if you can see, the near-term support is 23,800. So if you see the chart here, so 23,856 is the close. But I think even if it is a gap up tomorrow, like if it is a gap up and then gap up is within 23,940, then this basically, I would expect put writers to move from here, basically roll over their positions and move to 23,700, 23,600 like this, because I'm expecting if 23,800 has broken, and then we'll continue to go further until 23,640, 650 levels. Okay, now let's look at Sensex. Let's look at the daily chart. So the daily chart here, again, the same behavior. There's a rejection at around 76, 780 levels, and market is currently at 76 to 64. And this was a huge gap up from the Friday close. But let's look at the 4 hours chart. So from 4 hours chart, again, I'm expecting Sensex to come around 75,800 levels. And then from there, like it should basically come down below this level. And again, a 4 hours candle should close above this level of 75,760, 770 levels for Sensex to be again turning into bullish. And let's look at the option chain. The option chain, again, we have considered two expiries. So there's a clear call rating. There's a huge call rating at 77,000, 76,500 as well. And then there is a small support at 76,300. But from the charts, as we have said, Sensex might come until 75,700. So 75,700 is basically, if you see here is the support that we are expecting. But yeah, these will be subjected to change with the market moving. So the levels to look at for Sensex would be on the lower side 75,740, and then the higher side would be 76,590. So again, market is nowhere bearish. It will turn bearish if it closes below 75,750 levels. Any 4-hour candle closes below this level. But then until and unless it is within this range, it is mildly bearish, with the high being 76,580 and then the low being 75,770. So basically a fall of near about 800 points, somewhere like that. And if we see the Bank Nifty chart, so Bank Nifty entire previous week we were bullish on this, but Bank Nifty has taken severe resistance at this level of 57,850, 840 levels. And on the daily charts, I have plotted these levels 56,350 and 55,550 levels. But let's look at the 4 hours. So here again, 4 hours candles are basically indicating bearishness. I expect at least like good buying opportunity would be when half of this bullish candle is covered by the negative candles here, by the red candles, and then from there, if we see a bounce back from 56,400, then it would be a buying opportunity. But if it closes below 56,370, then when I say closes below, any 4-hour candle closes below this level, then we can see a level of 55,600. So that's for Bank Nifty.
If you enjoyed this video, please show your support, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to never miss an update.